go skateboard outside. It's raining. Yeah, I think it's raining outside. So, what should we do now?
Let's just chill. Let's watch the rain.
Ah, that was my foot.
Chris,
Yep.
I'm
Nice
pretty sure
rain.
It's raining. I'll be back.
I like rainy days.
Don't go outside with the camera.
Oh, yeah. Alright. What? Oh, perfect. Let's go. Let's go in the rain. We're outside. It's fucking raining out here. And, seems to be Hurricane Katrina just went through here. Oh, god damn, it's a fucking pool.
Go, it's cold. It's cold.
He's chasing. Yeah, I think I just saw a fucking witch out there.
Just hold on. Let's go.
I don't want to go back out there. Oh, god.
Get your video, I'm going out.
Alright.
Ready? I'm going out, Chris.
Fucking. What are you doing? Don't get lost out there! I can barely see you anymore. Oh god, that was pretty cool. Ew, I got nice feet.
God damn it.
Look at this. Today's one of those days you just want to do a rain dance. The sky over there. Oh my goodness. Did you see that lightning? Oh, I got water in your camera. Just a little bit. Right there.
Hey, Chris.
Yeah, I think it's raining outside though.
Play football.
I would play foot. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that.
We're gonna die.
Rain's coming down.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
God, he's ugly. Yeah.
I'm gonna play catch. I can't see. I can't see. It's cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chris,
Pretty boring.
this is my water.
Oh.
This is how I determine if it's cold. It's raining.
I think it's raining.
I think it might be raining.
No, I think it's pretty sunny out. Yeah, it's pretty sunny. I saw the sun over there.
You mean right over there?
Go for it. Run to it.
No way. I'm gonna get hit by it.
I kind of want to run to it. I'm running to it. I'm running to it. Oh god, puddle. Running to it. Running to it. Yeah, I know.
Dude, there's sirens.
And there's sirens over there. I think they're coming for me. I've done some bad things in my life.
Chris, come on. You're gonna get my camera away.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Dumb shit. You're getting my camera away.
Oh god, the power went out.
I'm gonna get back on really fast. I'm gonna roll my Vienna beef. Don't do that one. You're gonna ruin it.
Nah, it's made for some stuff. Come out here with your umbrella. We have an umbrella. Thanks. That's something to do on a sunny day like this.
Hold on. Wait, I gotta put a place for it to film us. That way we could show them our sunny dance. Go outside. Let's see if we can find it. Go outside. Go farther. Yeah, right there. Oh, I remember I put the umbrella. Oh, I remember. Go, Chris. Come on.
Oh jeez. Come on, Dad. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Chris. What if he just started flying away? Chris, doing picks up. Shit.
show me try balancing this right here. See this? Look at this. Dance with my middle finger. My special finger.
Oh God!
You do know that you like kissing a lot.
Yes, I do. That makes me so what? Not. Chris. Chris, don't go outside with that.
Can you go outside with it?
Yeah, green one right there.
Yeah.
I'm using my brother's can of beef thing. Okay. We had to get prepared.
Just let me take home one. I'll walk home with this thing.
Why do I have this fat one?
Okay.
I feel like a faggot.
You might go fishing out here.
I know, we got Chris. Chris. Over here.
I'm pretty sure everybody wants to see a video of us dancing in the rain.
Huh?
What? Nothing.
Seriously, there's sirens.
Oh no! Someone's house is on fire from the lightning!
Holy crap! Sirens. I think they're coming. Chris, I see lightning.
I know. Chodes and cocks and tits.
Oh God, don't hit me. That is pretty inappropriate.
Christmas tree on a skateboard.
Christmas tree on a skateboard. Christmas tree on a skateboard. We need some ornaments now.
Oh shit.
Here, Chris. Let's go.
Do what? Tempting an ollie. Ah, I can't see. I can't see. Oh.
I think this is probably the best day ever. Right?
Go to the Xbox.
Yeah.
Hey,
Look at this. Your manager!